Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power the phone off, eject the SIM tray, and remove the case to prevent trapped moisture. Once done, gently blot visible water with a lint-free cloth. Do not blow hot air because heat can warp sensors. Next, seal the device in a bag with silica packs or uncooked rice to absorb humidity and leave it undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Make sure the device stays upright and avoid charging or turning it on until the drying period is complete. Once the phone is dry, you inspect the true depth camera area under strong light. Look for corrosion, residue, or water stains near the sensor and flex cable. If you see residue, lightly clean with a 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, swab on the sensor housing and connector. Gentle strokes only and allow evaporation. Make sure to back up your data now. If connectors look damaged or corroded, do not force parts. You can attempt a software reset next, but consider professional teardown for hardware diagnostics if corrosion is present. You proceed with software remedies. Reset Face ID in settings and enroll your face again under good lighting and minimal movement. If Face ID remains inconsistent, perform a DFU restore after confirming you have a complete backup. This rules out software corruption. If problems persist, seek a certified technician for true depth module or logic board replacement because water damage often affects internal components. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent behavior continues,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.